Problems on transformations in computer aided design course. The given problem is a robot arm PQ with end coordinates P of 0, 0 and Q of 2, 5 rotates counterclockwise about P in the XY plane by 90 degrees. The new coordinate pair of the endpoint Q is the given robot arm name is PQ. Let us draw here. This is the robot arm PQ. Initially, this is in the horizontal position. This is the PQ. These coordinates are P of 0, 0 and Q is 2, 5. This robot arm rotates counterclockwise direction. That means this way about P in the XY plane by 90 degrees. That means from this point draw the vertical line. This is the new position, new coordinate Q dash. Here P position is will not be changed because this PQ rotates with respect to P coordinate. That's why P will not be changed. Q changed from Q to Q dash. These coordinates are X dash comma Y dash. Now he is asked that uh, find out the new pair of the endpoint Q, that is Q dash equal to how much, Y dash that means Q dash equal to how much. The concept is, let us see the first concept. Whenever a point, that is x comma y, is rotated an angle theta about the origin, the coordinates of the new point here the new point is x dash comma y dash can be obtained as here the new coordinates are x dash y dash that equal to rotation matrix cos theta minus sin theta cos theta into existed coordinates, that is x, y. Okay, this is the formula for when the point is rotated an angle theta about the origin, the coordinates of the new point, that is x dash y dash equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta into xy. Okay, let us see. First write the given data. Given data is Q given, that is x comma y, that equal to 2, 5. That means here x is the 2, y equal to 5, and also given that theta rotation angle theta equal to 90 degrees. In counterclockwise direction, the given formula for counterclockwise, this formula for this formula for only counterclockwise direction, counterclockwise direction. Okay, for example, in the given question, he may ask, he may give the angle with respect to clockwise direction. You can take theta equal to minus theta, theta equal to minus theta. That means cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. That means the formula will be changed to cos theta sine theta minus sine theta cos theta. Okay, that's the formula for uh, when the angle in clockwise direction. But in our problem, the angle in counterclockwise direction. So directly you can take this formula. Okay, now putting these values in the in this equation 1. Okay, putting the values in equation 1, that is x dash y dash equal to x dash y dash equal to cos 90 minus sin 90, here also sin 90, this is the cos 90 into xy is 2 5. Okay, we know that cos 90 equal to 0, sin 90 equal to 1. We can simplify this equation. Cos 90 0, sin 90 1, so minus 1. This is also sin 91, cos 90 0 into 2 5. Okay, now multiply these two matrices. We can get 0 into 2 0 plus 1 into 5. This is the minus 1, yes, minus 1 into 5 minus 5. Then one second row, 1 into 2 2 plus 0 into 5 0. So this value is 2. So new values are q dash equal to x dash y dash, okay, that equal to minus 5 comma 2. So the answer is option 2 is correct. Okay, this is the way to you can calculate this type of transformation problems in computer aided design course. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.